Don't rush past
And I want you to really let that sink in. Don't rush past this moment, because too many people hear something powerful, feel something real, and then go right back to their old thinking, their old patterns, their old doubts, and nothing changes. Not because God didn't move, but because they didn't hold on to what was just revealed to them. Because transformation doesn't happen in a moment of emotion, it happens in a decision you make again and again and again, even when you don't feel like it. Right now, something inside you is waking up, something is shifting, you can feel it. Maybe it's subtle, maybe it's strong, but it's there. And this is where it matters most, because what you do after this determines what happens next. You can go back to fear, or you can move forward in faith. You can go back to doubt, or you can stand on what you just received. You can go back to thinking small, or you can start expecting more. Because at the end of the day, no one can make that decision for you. And listen, this is important, because growth is not always loud. It's not always dramatic. Sometimes growth is quiet. Sometimes it looks like discipline. Sometimes it looks like consistency. Sometimes it looks like doing the right thing, when no one is watching, when no one is watching, when no one is validating you. That's where real change happens. Some of you are waiting for a big breakthrough, but you're ignoring the small steps. You're waiting for a miracle, but you're avoiding responsibility. You're asking God to change your life, but you're not changing your habits. And this is where alignment comes in, because when your prayers, your mindset, and your actions all line up, that's when things begin to move. That's when doors start opening. That's when clarity starts coming. That's when momentum begins. Not because everything is perfect, but because you are moving in the right direction. And I know sometimes it feels slow. Sometimes it feels like you're putting in effort and not seeing results. Sometimes it feels like you're doing everything right and nothing is changing. But let me remind you of something. Seeds don't grow overnight. There is a process, a hidden process, where things are developing beneath the surface. And just because you can't see it, doesn't mean it's not happening. Right now, things are growing in your life. Strength is growing. Discipline is growing. Wisdom is growing. Faith is growing. And at the right time, it will show. But you have to stay consistent. You have to keep showing up, keep believing, keep moving, even when it feels like nothing is happening. Because the moment you quit is often the moment before things shift. And too many people walk away right before their breakthrough. Don't let that be you. Stay in it, stay committed, stay focused, because what you're building right now is going to carry you into the next level of your life. And when that moment comes, when things finally start to open up, when opportunities begin to flow, when you start seeing the results of your faith, you're going to realize it was all worth it. Every moment of doubt you pushed through, every step you took when you were unsure, every time you chose faith over fear, it all mattered. It all built something inside you. And that's the part people don't see. They see the outcome, but they don't see the process. They see the success, but they don't see the discipline. They see the blessing, but they don't see the preparation. But you're in that preparation right now. And instead of resisting it, embrace it. Because this is where you're becoming who you need to be. This is where your mindset is being shaped. Your character is being strengthened. Your faith is being solidified. And once that foundation is strong, nothing will be able to shake you. So don't rush the process. Don't compare your journey to anyone else. Don't look at someone else's timeline and feel like you're behind. Because you're not behind. You're being prepared. Exactly when you need to be, and exactly how you need to be. So stay grounded, stay patient, stay focused, and most importantly, stay in faith. Because everything you've been believing for, everything you've been praying for, everything you've been working toward, it's closer than you think. And when it finally comes together, it's not going to feel random, it's going to feel right. Like everything aligned exactly when it was supposed to. So keep going. Keep trusting. Keep moving forward. Because your story is still being written. And the best part is still ahead of you. Same to same text, Vaho.